Perfect timing, perfect timing, perfect timing. Ha ha ha. There's always something different happening in this garden. Hello! Look at this. Anytime I get a male and a female open on the same plant, I let the bee do its job. That there is the work of my hand. But it seems when I let the bee do its job, it was not transferring any pollen because I finally got a male flower that has good amount of pollen. See? See the yellow? Plenty of male flowers still opening up, but at least I've hand pollinated some zucchini. So look at this beautiful shape here. Here I have another zucchini that is almost ready for harvest. So what could be the cause of this? Remember the issue last time was that I had so many male flowers, and the major problem is that I was getting many male flowers that do not have pollen. I'm still getting lots of male flowers, and now I'm getting fruits that have different shapes other than the normal zucchini shape. I have a bulbous zucchini. It's like a bell-bottomed zucchini, but at least I have harvested one fruit already that had a normal shape. Before I conclude that pollinators are not around, look at this. Wow. Perfect timing, perfect timing, perfect timing. Ha ha ha. One major reason I may be getting such fruits, more of them, is due to incomplete pollination. So I've seen that the bees are around. And in the morning at least I come and see bees around. But my male flowers do not have pollen. Some of them don't have pollen. This is what you will expect. If the temperatures go so high up in your area and you see the population of pollinators is low and you get male flowers that do not have pollen, then there is incomplete pollination and you end up getting bulbous zucchini. Will the story be the same with my cucumbers?